folks, welcome to another technical video from AA Silencers. Vehicle we've got behind us is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a T5.1 facelift model, and this one had basically every option ticked in that box when they bought it new. It's a 2-litre BiTDi, it's got DSG, it's got full motion, it's R-line spec, it's got everything. Unfortunately, it's also got EGR flow problems. Now, it's been into a couple of other garages previously, one of which at least, possibly both, have replaced the EGR valve. It's not what Volkswagen recommend. Volkswagen suggests you've got to replace EGR and cooler unit in one. The reason they didn't do it is the amount of job it is to do it, and you'll see in a moment what you have to do. So, as you can see, we've now got the entire front end off the van. The AC unit's out, the radiator's out, all the support panelling's off, the lot. And this now shows, obviously, the entire front of the engine is now exposed. Everything you can see there that's shiny is what's been replaced. So you have your EGR valve, which comes complete with the EGR cooler assembly, but that, as you can see, your oil filter is part of that, and also the oil cooler assembly is also part of it. And that's why we actually take the entire front end off these to do it, because it is damn near impossible to do this job with the front end on. It's just a damn sight easier to do it this way, and you can be sure then that it's all done correctly.